Hello, this is Joe Avenante at the Valley Library Consortium. In this section, we'll show you how to do keyword searching. Keyword searching finds items that have a specific word or words in the title, contents, subject, or series. You would use keyword searching for topics such as computer hardware. You typically use a keyword search to find general topics if you don't have any specific bib information, such as the name of a title or an author's name. If you wanted to find items with titles that contain the words computer hardware, you would use the title keyword index. If you wanted to find items with subjects about computer hardware, you would use the subject keyword index, even when the titles may not contain those words. There are different types of keyword searches. There's single term search. This is the simplest form. You enter a single keyword. Multiple term or Boolean search. This search lets you locate records such as titles, authors, or subjects that contain two or more terms and use a Boolean operator. We'll discuss this later in a separate section. Truncated search. This search lets you enter a truncated form of a word, and we'll discuss this later in a separate section also. General keyword will give you the largest number of hits, and perhaps that's its biggest disadvantage, that sometimes the results are too large. Let's demonstrate that using the word cats. If we type in cats and hit OK, you can see the results are rather large, 4,642. Instead, if we narrowed that search to subject keyword and type in cats, hit OK, now our results have been narrowed somewhat, 3,963. Let's go up to title keyword and do a search on cats. Now there are even less results. There are 1,406 titles with the word cats in it. Title keyword index. The title keyword index search all title fields on the bib, as well as the contents notes. These notes are often used on musical sound recordings or books of short stories. Author keyword searches search contents notes and the performer notes. Let's do another search on title keyword. Let's search on computer hardware. Make sure the appropriate index is highlighted, in this case title keyword, and then in the search for terms, enter in computer hardware. Click OK or hit enter. In this case, we have 59 results. We've retrieved the first 30. When a keyword search results in a large number of hits, the system displays a limited number of bib records. By selecting the Resume button, Horizon displays additional matching records, and the progression is as follows. It displays the first 30, then 300, then 600, and so forth in increments of 300. So to display the additional titles, we'll hit the Resume button, and now you can see we've retrieved 59 of the 59 results. And that's evidenced by scrolling all the way down, and you can see there are 59 titles listed. To look at any one of those, highlight it, click on Show Detail at the bottom, or hit Enter, and then you are brought to the bib record. To look at the copy information for that bib, click on the button Show Copies, and now you are looking at the copy record information. Now let's do a keyword search on author. Let's say you know the last name of an author, but you're not quite sure what the first name is. So type in, for example, Grisham, making sure the appropriate index has been highlighted. Click OK. There are 267 results. And as you can see, if you scroll down, John Grisham is not the only author listed. That's because we're searching on more than just the author. Remember, we're searching on contents notes and performers notes as well. So in the first item, Cowboy with the author Chris Ledoux. Let's highlight that and show detail on that. And if you look at the performer's notes here, you'll see the name Grisham. Again, to look at the copies for this bib, click on Show Copies. And this is the copy information. As I mentioned, there were 267 results. Only the first 30 are displayed or retrieved. To look at the additional results, click on Resume. And now all 267 are displayed. Now let's do a keyword search on subject. Highlight the appropriate index subject keyword, and we'll type in the terms wild animals pets. Click OK. We have 53 results. We're going to hit the resume button to retrieve all 53. And they are all here. And let's look at the second one, elephants in the living room, by highlighting it. Click Show Detail. And you can see that the subject, Wild Animals Pets, appears on that bib. Again, to look at the copy record information, hit Show Copies, and that information is brought forward. And that concludes this section on keyword searching.